Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Witch's Roots box for the month of May. I can smell it, but I can't identify it. Ooh, I love these. These are really cool. Okay, Virtues of Resiliency. I love these. The last time was the Seal of Solomon, and this one is the second Pentacle of Mars, so very cool. Oh, Blessed Thistle! I love Thistle. Awesome. Oh, it smells so good. Look at that! Oh my god, guys. I love boxes! Oh my god! Blessed Thistle. Yes. I don't have any of this. It grows in my yard, though. I don't know if it's Blessed Thistle. It's Thistle for sure. It cuts the hell out of me when I'm trying to water my pumpkins. But I like the way that it looks, and I sometimes will put it on a Sabbath altar just because I feel like I really like the fairy tale about the thistle. So there's that. It smells good, but I like the smell of beeswax. We've got our incense sticks. They smell really yummy. So this is grounded. See a little pretty flutes. Let's give her a sniff. Ooh, smells kind of sweet or fruity. Okay, let's see what we got in here. So cute. Oh, it's jewelry in a bag. And it says, "May the Lady of the Trees give you strength." Very cool. And then, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at it. I love it. Is it full of magic? Oh, it's empty. It's so pretty though. I love this. I love it. Let's read. All right. As continually changing begins, we are always working to find the opportunity for growth in all aspects of our lives and practice. When working to overcome difficult challenges or prevail through hard times, we stand unwavered as if rooted among the ancient oak trees. We rely on our craft to bring us closer to nature, allowing us to broaden our perspective on the world around us through the eyes of divine energy. Our connection with the earth and all that she bears is a testament to the virtues of resiliency we work to replicate in our daily practices. Now is the time to feel one with our purpose, unaffected by negative energies that work to invade our space. In this very special collection, we work to deeply ground ourselves so that we may stand tall and strong amidst the storms ahead. Blessed Thistle. A wonderfully potent herb to have in your collection, Blessed Thistle brings many powerful energies to aid you in your ability to protect and enhance your sacred space. Among providing strength and protection, Blessed Thistle has been known for its healing attributes. Blessed Thistle is said to have been deemed blessed due to its reputation for healing. It was even reported to have helped in the cure of the plague during the Middle Ages. As stated within the Blessed Thistle Herbal Grimoire artwork, it represents the virtue of resiliency, endurance, and perseverance, aiding us in stressful times to thwart obstacles of despair. It is exceptionally useful for cleansing negative feelings and emotion, releasing deeply ingrained fears and resentments, an exceptional purifying agent. Thistle counters and banishes the effects of hexes or curses, notable when added to baths, floor washes, or other infusions. Wear or carry to protect from menacing energies. Sprinkle throughout the home, around perimeters, barriers, and along thresholds to avert unwanted energies. Also used in rites of consecration, Thistle provides prosperity in all its forms: physical well-being, financial security, emotional support, spiritual peace of mind, etc. Can be included with other herbs that are described as a sacred or holy herb to create powerful protection mixes that can be sprinkled throughout the home or sacred area. As you work with Blessed Thistle, take the time to connect with its energy in a personal way, working to understand the benefits it may have for your specific self. Blessed Thistle Herbal Grimoire artwork. We have partnered with a very talented local artist to create an exclusive piece of artwork to honor the Blessed Thistle. Add this beautiful artwork to your book of shadows or place on your altar for display. Wood Pentacle charging box. I have included a beautiful small wooden pentacle box for you to place oils, stones, or tinctures. Adorned on the top of the box is the pentacle, resonating deeply with the elements and serving as a powerful symbol of protection for all practitioners of the craft. As you place your sacred items within this box, place your intentions within it. We will commonly write our intentions or draw signals on a small piece of paper and include in boxes such as this to enhance the energy we work to create. Grounded Magical Anointing Oil. We have created this Grounded Magical Anointing Oil with the intention of providing grounding energy during times of seeming chaos. As you anoint your skin, jewelry, or ritual tools, visualize your energy body connecting with the earth beneath your feet. We have enchanted this oil with cedarwood, sandalwood, almond, and thyme, as well as oak bark and blessed thistle herb, and a special mixture of our earthly magical oil from Personal Cabinet of Witchery. Unwavering Mini Spell Candle. We have hand-rolled a spell candle with the intention of providing you with a sense of strength. As you sit before the flame, call upon the spirits of nature to guide and support you on your path. Know that you are grounded in protection during times of uncertainty or anxiety. Lady of the Trees pewter pendant with brown pouch. We have included a wonderful pewter pendant with the collection to bring strength to your energy as you go about your daily tasks or practices. On the front, send the goddess or Lady of the Trees with her roots stretching in all directions. On the back, an affirmation of strength is provided. Cedar bark rich. Oh, cedar, that's what I love. We have placed the cedar bark ritual incense sticks within this collection to provide grounding energies to your ritual work. And the Seal of Solomon Book of Shadows artwork. Second Pentacle of Mars used as a reference to provide assistance when working on healing of any kind. Super cool. Love it. Love every part of it. Love this dang box. Love this smell. Definitely like this, all of it. I like it all. This is a winner box for me. I super enjoy it. So, as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.